Assalamualaikum, dear student. Today we will discuss about the acid-base balance, which is very important. Today we will also discuss about the uncompensated acid-base balance and compensated acid-base balance. So, what is the normal pH of our blood? It is 7.35 to 7.45. And this is the question to make a buffer and to check the pH of a buffer. Our blood maintains a normal level of pH which is 7.35 to 7.45. So there is always a ratio of 20 into 1 of base into acid in our blood. So it will give the pH of around 7.1. What is the pKa of buffers in the blood? It is around 6.1, and bicarbonate buffer pK value is 6.1. Then log of bicarbonate into carbonic acid value is 20 into 1. So log of 20 is always 1.3, and it gives the pH of 7.4, which is normal value. What happens if respiratory acidosis occur? Respiratory acidosis occur when the respiratory center get depressed, get less functional. What happens? The respiratory rate becomes low. When the respiratory level of the lung get low, what happens? There is more amount of carbon dioxide present in the blood. So the partial pressure of carbon dioxide increase in the blood around more than 45 mm of Hg. Then what happens? It will produce more carbonic acid, more than 1. That will disturb the pH. Let's suppose the ratio disturbed into 10 into 1, then it will log of 10 is equal to 1, then the pH is equal to 7.1, which is not good. Then if the problem is respiratory, then the compensation is the metabolic. Then what happens? Our kidney will retain more and more bicarbonate ion. So the bicarbonate level get increased to maintain the ratio of 20 into 1. The log of 20 is equal to 1.3, and it will produce the normal pH. So if the problem is respiratory, then the compensation is by metabolic, by kidney. So here is the respiratory alkalosis. When respiratory alkalosis will occur? When our respiratory center gets highly active. Highly active, then there is more high rate of respiration. It will decrease the level of carbon dioxide. If there is decrease in level of carbon dioxide, it will decrease the level of acid, carbonic acid in our blood. Let's suppose it decreases into 0.5. 20 into 0.5, it means 40. Log of 40 is equal to 1.6, and it will increase the pH around 7.7. Then there is a compensation which is metabolic compensation by kidney. What happens? Our kidney will release more and more bicarbonate ion to maintain the ratio of 20 into 1. To maintain the pH around 7.1. What happened in the metabolic acidosis? Metabolic acidosis, more bicarbonate ion get released by the kidney. The level of bicarbonate get decreased, and if the level of bicarbonate get decreased, then what happens? Our respiratory center will depressed to our respiratory center will get more excited, so the respiration rate get increased. If the respiration rate get increased, then what happens? The level of carbon dioxide, partial pressure of carbon dioxide get decreased, from 25 mm of Hg. Then what happens if the level of carbon dioxide decrease? Then the level of carbonic acid is going to decrease. This will maintain the level of pH around 7.4. So if the problem is metabolic, then the compensation is by the lungs. Lungs will increase the rate of respiration in metabolic acidosis. Then the carbon dioxide gets removed. There is low carbonic acid, and low carbonic acid will maintain the pH. Then metabolic alkalosis, then the level of bicarbonate ion by the kidney will increase. There is more retention of bicarbonate ion. The level of bicarbonate ion will increase, and it will increase the pH around 7.7. Then what happens? The level of base is increased. Then we should have acid. So our respiratory center get depressed, get less functional. So our body retain more and more carbon dioxide. If the more and more carbon dioxide get retained, then it will change into carbonic acid, and it will increase the level of carbonic acid, salt into acid. So the ratio of 20:1 is maintained, and the level of pH is maintained. So if the problem is respiratory, then the compensation is by kidney, which is known as metabolic compensation. And if the problem is the metabolic, and there is compensation by the lungs, mean respiratory. So that's all. If you have a question in metabolic acidosis or respiratory acidosis, you can ask. So this is a acid balance by secondary mechanism. First line of defense is the buffering system, which is bicarbonate buffering system, phosphate buffering system, and protein buffering system. This defense is the second line of defense, which is the lungs and the kidney. That's all. अगर कोई question है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं.